Welcome to Astro Barney. This YouTube channel is a English translation version of Maributhu P's YouTube channel. Rahu Ketu transit. First we'll see what is Rahu Ketu. I hope most people know about Rahu Ketu, but still I will give basic explanation. As per Vedic astrology, Rahu and Ketu is one of Navagraha. Still it doesn't hold any physical identity and is also known as a shadow planet. Rahu and Ketu position 180 degree each other always. Why? Because since it is a 2 point of intersection on the path of sun and moon. If you don't understand, let me give example. Well, let's say Rahu is in first house, then Ketu will be positioned in seventh house. That is, it always lies 180 degree each other. For symbol, Rahu represent dragon head and human body, whereas Ketu represent human head with dragon body. Only these two planets always move in anti-clockwise direction. Then transit position and time. As per Vedic astrology, the transit time for Rahu and Ketu is 1.5 years. Since Rahu and Ketu moves in anti-clockwise direction, at present Rahu is in Gemini house and Ketu is in Sagaritas. So from September 2020, Rahu will move to Taurus house and Ketu will move to Scorpio. This transit period is from September 2022 till March 2022. That is 1.5 years. Ashwini Nakshatra prediction. Ashwini Nakshatra lies in Aries Rasi. Ashwini people in general good looking, well mannered, intelligent and skilled in their work. Ashwini also signifies spontaneity and initiative skills. These Ashwini 4-pada nakshatra lies in Aries Rasi. For you, Rahu transit is, if I tell you in terms of percentage, it is good. That is 60% is good benefits for you. Before Rahu is in third house, now it is moving to second house for you. In general, second house denotes family income, relationship, family members. So your income will increase in this time. And Rahu also denotes foreign. If anybody is working in foreign, if you have a plan for going for abroad, then it's a very good positive note for you. You can give a try. There is a more possibility you will get job. Then this is a time you will concentrate more into your family members. Relationship among your family members will improve, and you will look into the family issues and try to solve them, and you will form a bridge between the family members. Next, Ketu. For Ashwini people, Ketu moving to your 8th house. This is not a favorable position for Ketu moving to your 8th house, because 8th house denotes secrets. Okay, so unexpected events, sudden events. So you should be careful with your words and secrets and your reputation. When I tell something bad or it is not a favorable situation, don't be panic and don't get a negative thoughts. Why? Because in life everything is always balanced. You always should have a positive note, like everything happens in life is a good only. Let's say Rahu is a accelerator, means Ketu will be a speed breaker in life. We know, right? Why speed brake is there in road? Roads can have without speed brake, right? Why speed brake is there? It is to reduce your speed, because nearby there is some danger zone will be there, or nearby school or hospital, something should be there. That's why speed brake is there in roads. Same way, you may not have a vision about your future. There is something danger you are going to face. That's why that speed brake will come in your life. That time you will feel that, oh, I got stuck. For me things are going slow. But later in future, when you go back and see your past things, you will realize that, yeah, the delay is for good only. This is Ketu. Ketu gives you delay. Ketu will save you, and that wisdom you will realize that saving in future, that is in your later years only. So just have a positive note. Everything happening in life is good only. That's it. Then remedies for Ketu, you have to pray for Lord Ganesha. That will be the best solution for you, because Ganesha is a wisdom and it is a god for Ketu. Then for Ragu, pray for Durga Devi and Kali Devi. Thank you. If you like this video, please press like button and do subscribe my channel so that you will get my updates. If you want prediction in English, email to astrobarney@gmail.com. The charges for the prediction is up to the customer satisfaction. Thank you.